Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Chloe, what are you doing here?
I had to find you. I know everything, Dad.
I told you to stay away from this. It's too dangerous.
You're my father. I couldn't just sit by and do nothing.
You don't understand what you've gotten yourself into.
I understand enough. I met someone, a man who told me about your past, about the people after you.
Who did you talk to?
He didn't say his name, but he gave me the address to find you. He said you're in danger.
I knew this would happen. I thought I could protect you from all this.
I'm not a little girl anymore, Dad. You don't have to protect me. We can figure this out together.
No, Chloe. You have no idea how deep this goes. These people, they don't just stop.
Then we fight. We can't keep running.
You sound just like your mother.
She would have fought too, wouldn't she?
She always wanted to stand up to them, but I made the mistake of thinking I could outsmart them, and I lost her because of it.
It wasn't your fault, Dad. You couldn't have known.
I should have walked away sooner, but now it's too late for that.
It's not too late. We can still get out of this.
I don't know if that's possible anymore.
We have to try. I'm not going to lose you too.
Chloe, they're not just coming for me. They know who you are now. They'll come for you too.
Then let them. I'm not afraid.
You should be. These people, once they set their sights on you, they don't stop.
Then we make them stop. We expose them.
Expose them? You don't understand, Chloe. These people are connected to everything. They control governments, businesses. If you try to bring them down, they'll destroy us.
We'll find a way.
You're too stubborn for your own good.
I wonder where I get that from. Dad, tell me everything, from the beginning.
All right, you deserve to know. It all started when I was younger. Before you were born, I got involved with a group, powerful people who operated in the shadows. At first, I thought I could use them to get ahead, but they had other plans.
What kind of group?
They dealt in secrets, manipulation. They pulled strings behind the scenes to control everything. I thought I could work with them, maybe even beat them at their own game.
But it didn't go as planned.
When I realized how dangerous they were, I tried to leave. But you don't leave people like that. They came after me. And your mother, she paid the price.
And now they want to finish the job.
They want the information I have. I've been keeping it hidden for years. Evidence that could ruin them.
Then why not use it? Expose them and end this once and for all.
If I do that, they'll come after everyone I care about, including you.
So what's the plan? Keep running forever?
I don't know, Chloe. I've been running for so long. I don't see a way out.
There's always a way out. We just have to be smart about it.
You're right. But the only way to take them down is with help. We can't do this alone.
Then let's find help. There must be someone we can trust.
It's risky, but there's one person who might be able to help. Someone who knows their operations from the inside.
Who?
An old friend. I haven't spoken to him in years, but he used to work for them. He got out, barely.
Then let's go find him.
It's dangerous. If they know we're looking for him, they'll come after us even harder.
We've come this far, Dad. There's no turning back now.
All right, we'll go, but we need to be careful. One wrong move, and we're done.
I'll be ready.
You've grown into someone stronger than I ever imagined.
I had to, didn't I?
You did, and I'm sorry for that.
Don't be. We're in this together now.
Comment your feedback, like, and subscribe our channel.